Hey everyone, Imran from Thatcham Security. Just finished doing a Cobra insurance approved Touch Key Immobiliser on this Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 2021 plate. A lot of these unfortunately are targeted by thieves. Let me just show you how it works. So we've got a little touch key section just there. If I just get in and try to start the car, you'll see it doesn't say ready, so it's not ready to drive. Can't put it in gear. So in order to drive this vehicle, I'll need these touch keys. So what I do is just touch it just there. Light's gone out. Foot on the brake. Start the car. As you can see, it's ready to drive. So once I turn it off, it will just basically, it self-arms within a few seconds, and the light will start emitting and the cars will protect again. So insurance approved product. We're doing a lot of these certainly on Lexus and Toyotas. If it's something that interests you on getting on your vehicle, get in contact with us.